In this video, I am going to teach you how you can use AI on your Snapchat app, regardless maybe you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. It doesn't matter. If this is the kind of video you're looking for, then you are in the right channel. So all what you need to do is you head straight to your Snapchat app. For some people, you might not see this AI on your Snapchat. If you don't see it, then you will need to update your Snapchat app because this is a new feature by Snapchat. So once you open your Snapchat app like this, all what you do is you click on the chat icon below the app. You click on it. So once you click on it, you will see the first name you will see on your chat, which is my AI. You click on it. So once you click on it, it comes out like this. So let's do an example and ask the AI and say, what is the current information? What is the current information about US government? About US government. Wait for it to respond. You can see, but actually I was too specific. So basically that is how it works. So let's just try to ask, for those who are very familiar with OpenAI, the Chatgpt, this shouldn't be new to you. So that is how OpenAI the AI works on Snapchat. Thank you very much. Bye bye.